In August last year, Redmi K50 Ultra was launched in China, also known as the Redmi K50 Extreme Edition. The phone was launched in the global market as the Xiaomi 12T Pro. It was a flagship phone with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, a 5000 mAh battery, 120W fast charging, and a 120Hz 1.5K 12-bit OLED screen. The company is now all set to launch the successor this month, the Redmi K60 Ultra, aka the Redmi K60 Extreme Edition. This would be the fourth phone under the Redmi K60 series, which currently has the K60E, K60 and the K60 Pro. Today Redmi shared a couple of features of this upcoming flagship phone, and so in this video let us talk about all of those. We don't know how the Redmi K60 Ultra looks like since there hasn't been any leak and even Redmi has not shared the design. What we know is that the K60 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset. This is the latest flagship SoC by MediaTek, and compared to the non-Plus version, the 9200 Plus offers 10% better CPU and 17% better GPU performance. According to Redmi, the K60 Ultra scores over 1.77 million points on AnTuTu benchmark. Along with this chipset, the Redmi K60 Ultra also has an independent display chip from Pixelworks. You might have heard of an independent display chip in some Vivo, Oppo or iQOO phones, and the main supplier of display chips for all these Chinese brands is Pixelworks. An independent display chip, as the name shows, is a processing unit that is separate from the SoC or the system on a chip. The main reason to use a display chip in phones is to improve the gaming experience and offer a better image quality on the display. The latest display chip that Pixelworks has is named the X7, and this same chip is also present in the Redmi K60 Ultra. In fact, this chip was also used by Realme last year in the Realme GT2 Master Edition. As for the features of this display chip, there is the low latency motion engine technology, which is used to dynamically add frames in the content, and it can also offload processing from the GPU to lower the temperature of the phone. There is a feature called low power super resolution, which is used to improve the clarity of the low resolution content without increasing the power consumption. To reduce the noise, there is the 3D noise reduction. Then there is an AI-based real-time SDR to HDR conversion for games, videos and photos. And finally, we know that the Redmi K60 Ultra has a 1.5K OLED display with up to 144Hz refresh rate. Well, for now, that is all we know about this phone. But as always, we will get to know more details in the coming days. And it is quite likely that the Redmi K60 Ultra will launch outside the Chinese market as the Xiaomi 13T Pro. There are even reports that the 13T Pro is launching in the European market on September 1st. Anyways, that is all about this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.